Welcome to the Sage Accounting how-to video. In this video, we will demonstrate how to use the various digital channels available to you. Firstly, open your internet browser. Once you have opened your internet browser, you can then go to our knowledge base. Our knowledge base is a platform that provides step-by-step guides that will allow you to solve various common errors as well as step-by-step guides on various processes. Type sagekb.com in the search bar and press enter. The Sage knowledge base will open. Scroll down and select Sage Business Cloud Accounting. You can now type in keywords in order to see if an article exists for the step-by-step guides that you require. For example, year-end. You can then scroll down and every article related to year-end will display. You can look through the list and you can then select, for example, processing year-end, increasing financial years. This will open the guide accordingly. As you can see with this guide, a video is attached. You can then follow the steps in the step-by-step guide, and if still unsure, you can watch the video. Alternatively, you can click the back option and search for a different topic. There are hundreds of step-by-step guides that are here to assist you. Many are linked to videos, and those that are not, you could then go and browse our video library. In order to browse our video library, you would need to go to youtube.com. You would then need to type in Sage Customer Support and Training and click the option. You would then select our Sage Customer Support and Training option. From here, you can then go and look through the videos that have recently been uploaded, or alternatively, you can find the South African tab and Middle East, and you can click on the Sage Business Cloud Accounting AME View Full playlist. This will open the entire playlist and you can search through the different options for the video that you are looking for. Alternatively, you can again search keywords in the YouTube search option and see if the video comes up. Just make sure that this is for Sage Business Cloud Accounting AME and you are not viewing a video for a different region or a different product. Once you have found the video you are looking for, you can click on the video and the video will launch. The next channel that you can use is our Community Hub. You can search for Sage Community Hub and select Sage Community Hub South Africa. Google will search and you may need to scroll down a little bit, but you're looking for the Sage Community Hub. Click on Africa and Middle East Community Hub and then click on the Sage Accounting option. Please ensure that you are signed in. If you are not signed in, please sign in or sign up. Once you are signed in and you select Sage Accounting, it will ask you to be notified of announcements or of general discussions. Now, if you are experiencing a problem and you need assistance, click on the general discussion option. You can either ask a question here and the community will assist you, or you can search via the search option and a list of different options will become available to you. You can choose to go into any of these forums and see what feedback was provided and if that feedback is useful to you. Please also note that if you are in the Community Hub, in order to go back to the main menu for Sage Accounting, you just click on Sage Accounting. And then you also have quick links, for example, the Sage Year-End Center, the support resources, and the training videos that you can all get to from this quick links guide. These also provide helpful tips, tricks, and guides with regards to your tax year end and with getting you to YouTube. In terms of the support resources, this will open the resource tab, which will allow you to choose the various channels that you can use to get assistance. You may wish to go to your partner resources, you may want to submit a case online or chat directly with a representative. You can also manage your account, and if you have a renewal query, you can query it from this menu. Again, this will also link you to all of the other options we have gone through. For example, our knowledge base, or to watch our videos. I hope this demonstration assists you and that you find it easier to use our digital channels. Thank you.